Welcome. This training video will show case managers how to create and complete a follow-up attestation in the AHS Critical Incident Reporting and Management solution. This video is designed for case managers only. After logging into the solution and verifying your identity with Okta, you'll find yourself on the landing page. Now, an attestation is a step that the state is implementing as a handoff between the case management review and the state review. Basically, it is a way for case managers to indicate that their work on the review is done and that they feel like the case management organization and the agency that reported the incident and is serving the client have done all of the required follow-up necessary related to the incident. To create an attestation, find the incident that you've been working with. Click the Related tab and open the Follow-up Tasks area. Next, you're going to create a new follow-up action. In the subject field, click the down arrow and select Attestation. Status will automatically be put to assigned when you save it, but you could select assigned here. The priority is required. Due date is optional. For assigned to, you are either going to select yourself as the case manager or your supervisor, depending on the policies at your organization and the guidance issued by DS. Basically, you're self-assigning this in a way to yourself or someone at your case management organization who is going to provide a review of your review. For app persona, select case manager. And for type, click follow-up attestation. Again, the purpose of this is to indicate that you have completed the review and that all follow-up action prescribed has been completed by either the case management organization or the provider agency that serves the client. Click Save. Okay, the task has been successfully created. Now, in this instance, because I assigned this to myself, if I go to my home screen and I actually go into my follow-up actions, I can see the attestation request right there. I click in it. It's everything that I just wrote. If I had assigned this to my supervisor, they would log in to the solution and do the same thing. They would receive an email notification that the follow-up action has been requested, and then they would go in and do these steps. So I'm going to close this window. And to mark the attestation as complete, I'm going to click on the pencil icon, change the status to completed, check this checkbox, super important. And actually, when you hover over the information bubble here, it's a statement saying basically what you are attesting to. You're confirming that the case management entity and service provider have implemented all recommended and required measures to address the reported incident, mitigate potential harm, and reduce the risk of future occurrences. Follow-up activities related to this critical incident are considered complete, pending review and approval by the State of Vermont Quality Management Team. Comments are optional. and click Save. Now, just like any other follow-up action, upon refresh, it will disappear from this list view here because it is a to-do list style list section. Only things in here will be those that are not in the complete status. Okay. And that is how you submit a follow-up action attestation. What this has now done, it has changed the status of the critical incident to under state review. It is now the ball is now in their court, so to speak. The state review team will receive an email and they'll begin their review. Upon which, if they find anything else, need additional information, they will likely contact directly or contact you by assigning a critical review task or a follow-up action in this critical incident management solution. And that is the end of this training video.